The theme for today, January 4th, 2025, is Fleer. We just finished a 1989 42 card rack pack. Let's take a look at this 1990 45 card rack pack with 3 stickers. And there is the original Walgreens price on it, $1.39. We got in the window, anybody? I got Greg Maddux, looks like Andres Galarraga, and an upside down Lee Stevens. All right, let's get into it, see what we can find. See if we can open this up without, oh, there's got a little hook to it at the top. See if we can open this up without having to use the scissors. Yeah, looks like we probably can. Yeah. There's pack 1. There's pack 2. And pack 3. Now in the 89 rack pack, the 3 packs were individually sealed. That might have been the very first time I've come across an 89 rack pack like that. So very interesting. Alrighty. Picked up that Andres Galarraga, that's key. Good player he was for the Montreal Expos. I believe he may have played his whole career with them. Danny Tartabull, Sandy Olimar Jr., Dave Winfield, another phenomenal player. We'll fix our stand and put him up there. Glenn Wilson, Devin White, Fred McGriff, Syracuse Chiefs native right there. Ron Hassey, Vaughn Hayes, Pat Borders, believe he may have been a yeah, he was a Syracuse Chiefs native as well. That's what I thought. R.J. Reynolds, Dan Gladden. Flip it over and we've got Tommy Gregg, Bob Kipper, Omar Vizquel. Our first sticker of the Cleveland Indians, as they are known, with Chief Wahoo, and the baseball quiz on the back. Good deal on that. Second section, we picked up Greg Maddux. Good deal on that. Phenomenal pitcher. We'll put him up there. Ted Higuera, Dante Bichette, Al Newman, Dean Wilkins, Frank Tanana, Bruce Hurst. Major League Prospects card, basically rookies of Kelly Mann and Dave Hansen. Good deal on that. Jose Gonzalez, Gino Petrelli, Eric Show, Kirk McCaskill, Mickey Hatcher, Rick Leach, Tim Burke. Our second sticker for the Boston Red Sox. Good deal on that with a baseball quiz on back. Third section is Lee Stevens, Dave West, Scott Sanderson, Matt Nukes, Bip Roberts. Feels like there's somebody behind him. There is not. Major League Prospects card of Chuck McElroy and Moises Alou. And are either of those... Yeah, Moise... Okay, so this is Moises' rookie card. And that's going to be a 75-cent card right there for him. 75 cents. Good deal. Jose Vizcaino, Mike Jeffcoat, Dennis Martinez. Got a couple of Martinez's. Ooh, nice. George Brett. Always take him. Put him in front of Dave there. Kelvin Schiraldi. Tom Brookins. Kenny Rogers. Greg Minton. Manny Lee. And yes, sir, thought he was part of Syracuse as well. 86-87, good deal on that. Picked up our league standouts card of Wade Boggs. That's a very cool card. Awesome looking card. That should be an insert. Sure is, number 5. Put him front center. And our third and final sticker for the Cincinnati Reds with baseball quiz on back. All right, not bad on that 1990 Fleer rack pack. Picked up that Greg Maddux. That's key. Picked up Andres Galarraga. Picked up George Brett and Dave Winfield, both awesome players. We picked up Fred McGriff back here. There we go. Syracuse Chiefs native, phenomenal player. And the league standouts insert card of Wade Boggs. 1990 Fleer 45 card rack pack for Fleer themed Saturday. Thanks for watching, y'all.